Hello friends, today we are going to discuss HTML hypertext markup language, and this is lecture number 10. Welcome to my channel TechMan. So today's topic is we will discuss about how to insert order list and unordered list in HTML. So let's start. Okay, we will open the app Atom where we are doing all the coding regarding HTML. So here is the coding HTML and the title is welcome to HTML title, and here I have made one file in name of order list .html. HTML should be the extension. So before making any file, extension should be html.html. So this is very mandatory and very important. Now we'll start body HTML title welcome to HTML title closed body. Now we'll start the coding part, right? So first we will refresh the page which we have made earlier, right? So I will start the coding from here. Okay, bracket will provide ul. First we will start from another list, and ul is the tag which we'll use, and for a list item li is the tag for list item. We will insert list item here, right? Like I have inserted computer first, right? I will copy this list item into 4 times. So I have copied, and now I will change the other 8 items. First is computer, second is book, third is uh, I will insert pen, and fourth I will insert pencil, right? So these are the 4 items which I have inserted. Now I will close the list. So I have closed the list ul, sorry, tag, and here is the body. I close the body. Now I will close the HTML tag, which is the main tag. Okay, so the tag which come last we will close it first, and the tag which come first we will close it last. Like HTML come first, we will close at the last, at the end slash HTML. Okay, now we will refresh the page. uh, we will refresh the page, and now you will see here is the item computer, book, pen, and pencil. So this is the unordered list which we have inserted. Okay, now move to the coding part again. So we can change the style of unordered list, like for which we will use style tag and equal to inverted commas, and here we can use different designs, like uh, list style type is also one of the tag which we will use. Okay, and here it is colon, and we will mention here the type which we want to insert, like if circle, if you want to insert circle, then circle. If you want to insert disk, then disk. So I have inserted circle, and here semicolon at the end, and now again control S. I will save this program and then again refresh the page. So here it is, in place of disk it will show circle. So you can change this in square. So next I will put square. I have inserted square. Now so disk, now you will see disk. So here it is changed into disk. So we can change the icon. Now we will insert square, then it will show square. Now you can check and refresh the page. Now it is square. so through which you can put the different icon here. Okay, so move to the next coding part, and I will highlight first. Okay, I will maximize the page, and here it is, you can see right now. Now this coding part is completed. Now I will try to input triangle, but I think triangle is not available, but it's just an example. Just put the triangle here, try to put, and Control S. Now we can check whether it can work or not. I refresh the page and it doesn't work, so there is no triangle icon here. So we will cancel it, and we will cancel it, right? Okay, so I again try to run, but it doesn't work, so we will cancel it. Okay, I cancelled it, and I again put the circle here. So which is the main point here? I put the circle. Now there is a 4. Now I will insert ordered list. I have inserted an ordered list. Now I will insert order list. So for order list, I will use the tag OL and list item here. For list item, I will use li tag. Now I will insert the different component of order list, that is computer, CPU, and third one is mouse, and fourth is monitor. So I have inserted different component here, and we will close the tag OL. Now I have closed the tag body and HTML as well. Now I refresh the page, and you can see that here is the item, and this is in order list. 1 2 3 4 is the icon which we have used. Now we can also change this in Romans and in alphabetical order. So for this we will use tag type, that is OL type inverted commas, and in which we will mention A. Now order list converted into ABCD. Now we will convert it into Romans. For that I will use I, small I, and that is italic. No, this is the wrong tagging. So we will use I, and we save this, and again refresh. This Roman came here. So we can change it into different icon in order list as well as in unordered list. Now I will tell you the method through which you can insert unordered list in unordered list. So in computer I want to add different component. So here I will use again tagging unordered list, and here I can insert different items. So for inserting I will use li as the list item tag, and I will insert here the item under computer. So I have inserted CPU, and I will close this list item, and now I will close the UL tag. So under computer we can see CPU, so you can insert unordered list in unordered list as well. So here it's computer, and under which there is a component CPU. So through this way you can insert another UL tag. This goes for the same in order list. In order list we will also insert one item. We will insert like order list, we will use list item, and here I have inserted one item, that is mouse, joystick. I am using joystick, and I will close the tag li, and again I will close the tag OL, which is the order list tag. We will close it. So in order list we can also insert one or order list. So under computer we can see joystick is the item which showing under. So through this way you can use order list in unordered list, under unordered list, and in order list you can use different order list. So this is the coding here. So through this way you can insert order list and unordered list in HTML, and it will definitely help in web designing where you can insert order list and order list. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.